Hi students, how are you? I hope you all will be in good health. In today's video we are going to discuss the definition of numbers and we will study the following types of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. One of my video related to this topic whose title is the difference between digit, numbers and numerals. The link is given in the description. You can check that video from there. So let's start today's video. So students, first we will discuss what is a number. Here in front of you are the two pictures. In one picture you will be looking at there are some oranges and the second one there is a wall. Now I ask you two questions. The first one, how many are the oranges in the box, and the second one is how much is the height of the wall. Now what will you answer for the first question? How many are the oranges in the box? Your answer will be 9. There are 9 oranges in the box. And the second question is how much is the height of the wall. Now the height, first you will measure the height. The height will be measured in meters, feet, in centimeters or any unit, but the answer will be in some number. So students, question like how much, how many, etc. are answered in numbers, like how much do you have something, or how much money do you have, or how many do you have. Any question that starts from how much or how many are answered in numbers. Now students, we look at the definition of a number. What is a number? A number is a mathematical object that is used for counting, measuring or labeling. How is a number used for counting? I have said you earlier, here are 9 oranges in this box, so we use number for counting, and this wall is just measured in a number, like it is 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet or something like that, but it is always measured in numbers. How number is used for labeling? In front of you is the picture of a famous footballer, Lionel Messi from the Argentine team. Now look at his shirt's back. There is a number 10 printed on it. What does it represent? This number 10 represents its label. That is, this footballer is labeled as the number 10. So the number is mathematical object or mathematical tool that is used for counting, measuring or labeling. Now let's study the types of numbers. In types of numbers, the first one is natural numbers. When you ask from someone that tell me first 10 numbers, then the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the same way, when I ask a child that tell me first 10 numbers, then the answer was
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now you have noticed that I and the child both started from 1. So it's natural that when you ask someone for counting, then he will start from 1. No one just think about starting from 0. So let's study the definition of natural numbers, and I will explain my wordings later. The definition is, the numbers that are used for counting and ordering are called natural numbers. That is, natural numbers are used for counting and ordering of things. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers. Since these numbers are used for counting, so they are also called counting numbers, and the counting starts from 1. If you have nothing, then you don't count. Natural numbers start from 1. As I have said, when you ask someone to count or to start counting, then he starts from 1. So it's natural that we start counting from 1. That's why we called these numbers as natural numbers. So natural numbers start from 1 and then continues till you want. Set of natural numbers is denoted by n. So the set is n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and these numbers never ends. The second set is whole numbers. When we add 0 to the set of natural numbers, then the new set we get is the set of whole numbers. All the natural numbers, but we put 0 at its start. That is, 0 is added in the natural numbers, so we get whole numbers. Whole numbers does start from 0 and then continues till you want. Set of whole numbers is denoted by W. So W equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then continues. Students, in types of numbers, the third type that we are going to discuss are the integers. Before discussing the definition of integers, look at the number line. What is a number line? In number line, we represent all the numbers on a line called the number line. Look, the digit 0 is in the middle of the number line, and this arrows represent that the numbers are going, they are not being stopped or they are not ending. So 0 is in the middle of the number line, and on the right side of 0 are the positive numbers or natural numbers. As you have studied, natural numbers start from 1, and on the left side of 0 are the negative ones, negative numbers. They are just like the natural numbers, with all have negative signs. So now let's study set of integers. Integers are the numbers that include 0, positive natural numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and their negative ones like -1, -2, -3 and so on. So set of integers include this one 0, all the natural numbers and all the negative natural numbers. And negative natural numbers is only for a symbolic, is only for in understanding of your students. These numbers are not called negative natural numbers, they are called negative integers. Set of integers is denoted by capital Z. The set of integers is written as capital Z equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4 and so on. This plus minus represent that both positive and their negative numbers are presented in this set. As if there is a number plus 10, then there is also a number negative 10 present in this set. Set of integers is also written in this form, as 0 is in the middle, and on the right side of 0 there are natural numbers or positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and on the left side of 0, as you have looked in the number line, there are negative numbers, and both of the ends just continuous, they never ends. We summarize our video here. We first discussed the numbers and then the types of numbers as natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. The set of natural numbers is denoted by capital N. The set is n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Set of whole numbers are denoted by capital W. The set is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And then the set of integers denoted by capital Z, and the set is 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. So students, in today's video we have discussed what are the numbers, and we have discussed the basic types of numbers as natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. In our next video we will discuss some other types of numbers and their properties. So if you found the video useful, then like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.